Many successful people started from low-cost businesses, such as Steve Jobs, who started Apple in his parents' garage, or Jeff Bezos, who founded Amazon from his apartment with only a few employees. Starting a business can be daunting, especially if you're on a tight budget, but what if we told you that there are low-cost businesses you can start right now without breaking the bank or quitting your day job? In this video, I'll share our top picks for low-cost businesses that are easy to start and require minimal investment. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or simply looking for a new challenge, these businesses offer flexible schedules, low overhead, and the potential for high returns. Before we dive into the main content, let's discuss why you should start your own business. Starting your own business can be a good option, and it allows you to take control of your financial future and build a business that you're passionate about. Off the bat, here are a few of our favorite reasons. 1. Be your own boss. When you start your own business, you are in charge. You get to set your own hours, choose the projects you work on, and make all the decisions. You don't have to answer to anyone else, and you can create a business that reflects your value and vision. 2. Pursue your passion. Starting your own business can allow you to pursue your passion and do work that you love. When you're working on something that you're truly passionate about, it doesn't feel like work. You have a sense of purpose and fulfillment that you might not get from a traditional job. You'll wake up every morning feeling inspired and ready to go. And this passion can come in a few different ways. It can either be what you're doing, how you're doing it, why you're doing it, what benefits you get from doing it, or who you're doing it for. When you live for your own passion, time feels infinite and you'll find joy in pretty much everything that you do throughout the day. Number 3. Financial independence. When you own a business, your income potential is unlimited. You can make as much money as possible, rather than being limited by a salary or hourly wage. You can also control your own financial future and build real long-term wealth. Of course, starting a business can also be challenging. Lack of funds, limited resources, and competition are just a few hurdles you can face. But the good news is that there are plenty of low-cost business ideas out there that are easy to start, and that's where we're gonna focus on today. So, let's get to it. Here are the 7 low-cost businesses that are easy to start. First on our list is freelance writing. If you have a way with words and a passion for writing, then freelance writing might be the perfect business for you. This industry is only getting easier to break into because even if you're not a super passionate writer, you're able to use AI tools like ChatGPT or AnyWord in order to generate really good content for other people. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a few writing samples to get started. There are plenty of websites to offer freelance writing opportunities, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses and offer your services directly. Here's 5 tips to make sure you stand out in a crowded freelance writing market. Specialize in a particular area to become an expert in attracting clients. This means niching down into one specific topic. For example, you might pick to only write make money online content, or travel content, business content, sports content, nutrition, so on and so forth. Tip 2. Build a strong personal brand with a website or online portfolio. It's going to be super easy to add work to your portfolio if you sign up with either Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Tip 3. Network with other professionals in your field. Once again, by using the previously mentioned platforms, you'll be able to network with other professionals on the same journey as you and learn from each other. Tip 4. Offer exceptional customer service to differentiate yourself. Business is all about creating long-term, high-quality relationships. Whether it be with customers or other freelancers, we highly recommend getting along with people and forming really good relationships because this is going to give you better deals and more work. Tip 5. Keep learning and growing by staying up to date with trends and technologies and seeking feedback from clients. One of the easiest ways to stand out is by being open to constructive criticism and actually listening to your clients' feedback rather than arguing with them if they say they don't like something. This will also help you provide more value and build great relationships. Low-cost business number 2. Social media management. Social media is crucial to any business's marketing strategy, but not everyone has the time or expertise to manage their social media accounts. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you can help businesses grow their social media presence by creating and scheduling posts, interacting with followers, and analyzing metrics. All you need is a computer and a good understanding of social media platforms. Here are 5 tips to create social media posts that get more likes and shares. Tip 1. Know your audience and create content that is relevant to their interests and pain points. Tip number 2, use eye-catching visuals to grab people's attention. One way to upsell yourself is to offer color palettes, which will increase the overall aesthetic of the page. Tip 3, keep your post short and to the point using attention-grabbing headlines and captions. Tip 4, ask questions or encourage engagement to increase interaction with your audience. Tip 5, post at the right time for maximum engagement. In order to do this, you can use scheduling tools like Hootsuite in order to schedule out posts in advance. Low-cost business number 3, online tutoring. With so many students learning remotely, online tutoring has become a popular business idea. You can offer your services as an online tutor if you have expertise in a particular subject. You can use platforms like Zoom or Skype to conduct sessions. All you need is a computer, a good internet connection, and an understanding of one particular subject. You can keep students engaged and participating by incorporating interactive activities and discussions. Make sure to provide regular feedback and assessments to track student progress and identify areas for improvement. This will give you the ability to adapt your teaching style and materials to meet the individual needs and learning styles of your students. And always remember to create a positive and inclusive classroom environment where students feel comfortable and motivated to learn. If done correctly, online tutoring can become an extremely lucrative business. Low-cost business number 4, Etsy shop. If you're creative, you can start an Etsy shop to sell your handmade goods or digital products. You can create anything from jewelry to home decor to clothing. You only need a few supplies and a good eye for design. Furthermore, you're able to use dropshipping platforms in order to fulfill your orders, meaning that you never have to pay for product until it's ordered. This is going to make it extremely easy to keep your costs low. For example, if you want to sell t-shirts, mugs, or iPhone cases, you can connect a platform like Printful to your Etsy shop in order for Printful to fulfill the orders and print them only after they were ordered. Etsy will take care of the marketing and payment processing so that you can just focus on creating your products. Here's some more tips on how you can boost your Etsy shop to stand out amongst the millions of sellers. Tip 1, optimize your product listings with high quality photos, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords. SEO is going to be one of the easiest ways that you can get your product in front of more people at literally no extra effort. Tip number 2, offer unique and niche products that cater to specific customer needs and interests. As mentioned with the other businesses, you're going to want to niche down to one specific product or service and make sure that you have a target customer in mind. That way you're being very specific with your product and you know exactly who it's going to sell to. This is going to greatly increase your chances of success and cut down your competition. Tip number 3, build a strong brand identity through consistent visuals, packaging, and customer service. Tip number 4, leverage social media and other marketing channels to drive traffic to your shop and engage with potential customers. Low-cost business number 5, cleaning service. Cleaning is a task that many people don't enjoy, so a cleaning service can be a great business idea. You can start small by offering your services to friends and family, then expanding by advertising on social media and local classifieds. All you need are some cleaning supplies and a willingness to do the dirty work. A few ways you can do this is by developing a thorough cleaning checklist to ensure that all areas and tasks are covered. This will help you stay organized and also help you upsell your clients on more services that they need cleaned. Once you know what you're going to be cleaning, use high-quality cleaning products and equipment to achieve the best results. This will create long-term customers that'll want to come back and do business with you again and again. Finally, pay attention to detail and go above and beyond to exceed customer expectations. Meaning that it's not shining when you're done with it, clean it again. Low-cost business number 6, personal shopping. I'm going to say this one again because it sounds outlandish. Personal shopping. Seriously, many people don't have the time or expertise to shop for themselves, which is where personal shoppers come in. As a personal shopper, you can help people find the perfect outfit for a special occasion or update their wardrobe. You can offer your services through social media or word of mouth. If you're someone who loves clothes or just loves to go shopping, this is going to be one of the easiest ways to build a business while doing something that you still do on a regular basis, if not more frequently. All you need to do is actively listen to your client's preferences, needs, and feedback. Then offer your personalized styling advice and options that fit their unique style and occasion. The better outfits you pick for them means the better they're gonna feel wearing them, which ultimately will lead to them trusting you more and buying more of your services. This will ultimately lead to a convenient and efficient service that exceeds their expectations. Low-cost business number 7, event planning. If you have a knack for organization and an eye for detail, event planning might be the perfect business for you. You can offer your services for anything from small parties to large weddings, and you can start with some event planning software, a few vendor contracts, and the ability to keep track of a budget. Firstly, develop a detailed event plan that covers all aspects of the event, including logistics, timeline, and contingency plans. Secondly, communicate effectively with vendors, attendees, and other stakeholders to ensure that everyone is on the same page. And finally, remain flexible and adaptable to the changes and challenges that can arise, while keeping the overall event goals and objectives in mind. If you're someone who likes being organized and throwing parties or hosting events, this is going to be a super lucrative way to keep doing what you already love to do. And there you have it, the 7 low-cost businesses that are easy to start that you can do right now. We really appreciate you for watching all the way till the end of this video, so please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this one. We want to help you succeed, and the only way we're going to be able to do that is if you stay up to date with the content that we put out. If you have any other ideas of low-cost businesses that are easy to start, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.